The 27th of September, D-Day for Chamisa to launch a new political party. The 21st of September 2025, Spread the Love, by a correspondent, MASVINGO. September 27th is set to mark a turning point for former opposition leader NelsonchamIsa, who is preparing to announce the formation of a new political movement. Sources close to Chamisa's camp told the Midweek Watch that the former ICT minister in the 2009-13 inclusive government will officially launch the political movement in Chiwara, Gudu. On the same day, Chamisa is expected to hand over a church he built for the Zion Apostolic Church, Yekwa Makamba Yitambo, where his father is a prominent member. The newly built church stands as a personal tribute to his father and marks a significant moment not only for the Chamisa family, but also for the wider Zion community. Respected political analyst and university lecturer, Professor Eldred Massanungir, noted that Chamisa's move to launch a political movement is not surprising, as discussions about it have been ongoing for some time. Professor Massanungir said the launch could fill a major void left by the weakened opposition in the country. The opposition has been on life support for a long time, and this is a welcome move. With Chamisa's charisma, there is no doubt the opposition will rise again. Just like in 1999, the political terrain is barren, and this is the right time to launch a serious opposition movement for the country. I also hope Chamisa has learnt from past mistakes that led to the situation the nation finds itself in, he said. A prominent lawyer, who spoke on condition of anonymity for professional reasons, echoed similar sentiments, though with caution. She said that while Chamisa may not hold sway with all serious voters, he commands immense grassroots support and could be either king or kingmaker in the opposition. Chamisa made serious mistakes, and some voters may not forgive him, but the majority of the electorate are more interested in Chamisa himself than his past errors. The educated and the majority voters often differ in priorities. Look at the U.S., where Trump's popularity defied expectations. In Zimbabwe, Chamisa remains the best available option to lead the opposition due to his immense popularity and charismatic leadership. Hence, I applaud the move if he is indeed launching a new political movement, she said. Chamisa abandoned the CCC party in early 2024 after it was infiltrated by Sengi's TSHABANGU, who undertook a purge of the leader's allies, prompting Chamisa to declare a political sabbatical. While Chamisa has not yet officially confirmed the party launch, insiders indicate that preparations are underway. The dual symbolism of faith and politics, highlighted by the church handover, is expected to send a powerful message to supporters ahead of the 2028 harmonized elections, which President Mnangagwa confirmed during his recent address to the ZANU-PF Central Committee. Chamisa, who grew up attending the same church as his father, later joined AFM while in Harare. The official opening is expected to attract church members, local leaders, and political allies, signaling a fresh chapter in the opposition landscape.